this story. Josh?
Well, Latoya, Mike, that flight data recorder, that cockpit voice recorder, both recovered about 6:30 on this night, and hope to reveal a lot of what investigators are trying to find out about this. 15 investigators are here. Rolls-Royce engine manufacturers are here. That is standard for an engine manufacturer to arrive, along with several federal officials trying to figure out how this plane crashed. It is a skeleton of fuselage. Investigators scouring all that remains. Tires, charred earth, enough to make you want to look away and immediately grieve for the 7 departed souls who were on board this flight Saturday. And we're getting our first look at the debris field from the air. The clear outline of the Gulfstream 4 jet and the relatively intact nose and tail, the engines by the wings, the path off the runway, first the tire marks, then 2,000 feet, less than half a mile through the grass, the antenna, chain link fence, and into that gully where it exploded after what a witness says was a plane that was never airborne. Other witnesses living nearby heard the crash, saw the towering ball of fire, and called 911.
It looked like the atomic bomb went off. Okay. And it was a mushroom cloud.
But how did it happen? Perhaps to be revealed by the flight data recorder and cockpit voice recorder, recovered at about 6:30 p.m. Monday by an NTSB investigator on this crane. That is among the key pieces needed, but there are others.
We have found the aircraft maintenance records. We will be retrieving those and reviewing those documents within the next few days. We have some information about the flight crew. We've located their training records.
And all three had extensive flying experience. Pilot James McDowell, co-pilot Bauke Mike DeVries, and flight attendant Teresa Ann Benhoff. Relatives say all had worked for Philadelphia Inquirer co-owner Louis Katz for at least 10 years. He was the passenger on the plane hosting 3 friends, all from South Jersey, returning to Atlantic City at the time of the crash. And Latoya, given the magnitude of this investigation, the airport is operating pretty smoothly here, flights coming and going throughout the day. Now, we're told there is surveillance video from the night of the crash. Investigators say they've yet to review it. They will have their final briefing here tomorrow at 5 o'clock. Latoya?
And we look forward to that. We'll have that story tomorrow. Josh Brogan here live for us at Hanscom Field. A public memorial service will be held